I found this unfinished wood pineapple from Michael's. It was originally $6.99 and I got it 70% off because it was left over from the 4th of July collection. So I paid a little over $2 for this. I'm going to start by painting the entire thing using some Wise Owl Snow Owl. And I'm just going to give that a nice good coat. And then we're going to allow that to fully dry. Once dry, I'm going to take my painter's tape. And I'm going to start right at the top here. And I always use a second piece of painter's tape as a spacer. And then I'm just going to make stripes going down my pineapple. And now before moving to this step, you want to make sure that the white paint is fully dry so that the painter's tape doesn't lift that up. Now you want to rub it down, make sure there's no lifting in any edges of the paint, and I'm going to paint the entire thing using the Wise Owl Republic Red. And then I'm going to lift up my painter's tape. Now I have my red and white stripes. I'm going to take the Wise Owl Anchor, and I'm going to use it on the crown of my pineapple. We also have 2-ounce paint sample sets, and the color Bowie is very close to this. I set that aside and I have these stars. I got these from Hobby Lobby. They came in a pack and I use them kind of throughout the 4th of July season. And I'm going to paint them using some Wise Owl Snow Owl. And they are different sizes. They're some small and some that are a little bigger. And these did need 2 coats. I have a straight edge, and I'm going to start in the bottom left corner, and taking some Wise Owl black paint and a very skinny slanted art brush, I'm going to make stripes starting in the left corner, going up to the right corner at a diagonal. And then once that's dry, I'm going to start in the bottom right corner and work my way up to the top left corner, making diagonal stripes. And then now we have the pattern of the pineapple. And on the top area, which is the crown of the pineapple, I'm going to take the white stars and glue them scattered throughout the blue. I have this hello sign. I got this from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use my metallic gold from Wise Owl paint. And I'm going to paint the entire hello. And then I'm just going to adhere that to the front of the board using some hot glue. You can also use the Elmer's wood glue or the E6000, which is more of an industrial glue. And I gave this a top coat of the furniture salve. And there we go. Now we have this fun, patriotic pineapple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, mesh stencils, and transfers can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.